Hey friends, Rebecca here. Hey, I'm firing up the 3D printer today. It's been a while since I've done a 3D print. And so my last craft kit was a cross-stitch butterfly kit. And I had a lot of extra floss from that, the thread, the stitching thread. And so I knew that I had seen some different models out on Maker World where people have created these, basically a platform for cross stitching with all the holes already pre-designed for you. And there are a handful of them out there. And so I wanted to go out and look. I've got some neat ideas for different shapes and things, but I just wanted to find something kind of quick to try. And this particular model, I will link below to the artist, the author of this model, down in the details. So definitely go check it out, and I will show you as this print finishes. But it's designed to be a box, a 3D box with a lid, and then the lid is going to have all the holes in it so that you can cross stitch a pattern. And so I'm printing it on my A1 Mini. It looks like it's gotten started okay. It did give instructions, slow it down if you need to. I didn't change anything. I just let it go. And so this first layer was pretty critical. So it looks like my first layer is going to be okay, except for maybe that one spot. I may end up having to punch that out with a nail or needle or something. Not sure what's going on with that one pixel there. But again, I'll show this to you once it finishes. It looks like it's going to be a well-designed model. So very, very cool. Appreciate everybody that shares their models out on Maker World. And so it's going to be just a cute little box with a lid, and then you can stitch a pattern on the lid. So thanks for watching, and again, we'll finish off with the final product on this one. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. It looks like they've worked in their logo in the bottom of the box. So we'll take a look at what that looks like. I'm sure it's in backwards right now as it's printing, but neat design. Alright, and here I've gotten a good start on stitching the design. I went ahead and just used a very similar rose pattern as to the example on Maker World. And that one pixel wasn't a problem at all. I did end up just having to kind of push it a little bit with the needle, but it's going to work just fine. And so here it is, all finished. Again, my lighting's not so great. It's pretty late. Been watching some college football today, and as stitching as I watch, and this came out so cute. I went ahead and filled in the uh, all of it with the black, and I think that looks pretty sharp. Thanks for watching.